Hey everybody! Well, today we've got a real treat for you guys. We are going to take the Moke for a drive through town and go to one of the newest places in town, Sunday Ice Cream. And it is a welcome addition. It is really, really good. So you aren't going to want to miss that. But before we can play, we've got to work. So I've got some chores to do and we're going to get those done and then we're going to go get some ice cream. Now, I just want to warn you, I speak in Spanish when we go to get the ice cream, and my Spanish is not very good. I try to practice all the time, and so I put up on the screen a translation of what I'm trying to say, but it's not exactly what I say. So be gentle on me with my Spanish. I'm still learning. All right, let's get to work so we can go get some ice cream. We're Douglas and Esperanza, and we decided to leave our lives in the U.S., sell almost everything we own, and move to Baja California Sur, where we decided to start a resort in the magical town of Loreto, Mexico. Please come with us to follow our journey and live before you die. Good morning. I am headed down here to pufferfishvillas pool because we have some maintenance that needs to get done urgently. And I wasn't planning on doing this until later in the summer, but I'm going to show you why I had to do it right now. So I'm down here at the pool area. We have our pool cabana that we built, and we have a problem. Now, I knew this was coming because we've been having, if you can see up there, there's all this kind of gunk all over this thing, and I'm not sure what. I think it's accumulation of just a year's worth of gunk and dirt spraying over from the site next door, spraying from the road, getting on to the cabana cover here. So I wasn't really worrying about this being really dirty. I knew it was really dirty, but it hasn't rained here since forever, like 7 months. It hasn't rained. It isn't going to rain here until the hurricanes and all the wet season comes in September, Octoberish. So I was planning in the middle of the summer to wash this entire cover off and get all this gunk off of it. But we had this super crazy humidity event a couple days ago where in the afternoon the humidity just shot up to like 95%, and there was no apparent reason for it. There was no clouds, no wind. I don't know why it happened. It's never happened before, but there was so much humidity that it basically just started raining out of the air, and everything got soaked, and this thing started dripping, and that made a whole bunch of spots all over these cushions, and I didn't know that it was going to drip. So we didn't do anything about it. If I knew it was going to rain, I would have definitely come down and pulled these cushions, because I would have known that a bunch of crap's going to come down from up above here. So I tried to clean all those spots just with some light cleaner and a rag. Didn't work. So we're going to have to work on that and try to get these spots out. Luckily, if we cannot get the spots out on the cushions, these cushions were built so that we can take the outside cover off. There's actually an inner cover to hold the foam in the correct shape, and then we can wash those cushions covers in the washing machine and try to get these stains out. So, and there's some umbrella. They should last for a long, long time. That is for another day. Right now, we're going to get this thing clean before we have another spontaneous super humidity event and we end up with a whole bunch of stains again on all the cushions. I'm doing it early this morning. It's like 7 o'clock because it is going to be mid-90s today, and it's going to be mid-90s for the foreseeable future. I think we're into the summer now. It's come early this year. We're only in the beginning of June. Last year, we're actually about a month ahead on temperatures because last year it didn't get this hot until about the beginning of July. So, going to be a hot summer. We're already in the 90s every single day. The lows are only going down to about 80. Those are going to creep up to the mid 80s in the coming weeks and months. So, there's no time it's going to be cooler, and we're going to try to get this done early in the morning now before the sun gets way up and is really hot. And the sun's just coming up. You can see the shadow over there on the villa. In fact, let's see if we can see the sunrise over here. Ah, there it is right there, peeking through over the trees. So I'm gonna get this thing, all these cushions pulled, and we're gonna wash this thing off and see if we can fix this. Before I got started, I had to run up and get an extension cord here because I didn't want to plug into these outlets right here under where I'm going to be power washing in down a whole bunch of dirty water. They are GFCI protected, so they would just pop, but it's probably going to pop if I do that. So plug it in back there. Don't have to worry about it. All right, we got water hooked up. We have power. So we can start this pressure washing. Okay, so I wanted to see if I could do this all from down below so I don't have to get up on top. It isn't going to work because I cannot get the very top of the bamboo rounds cleaned. They're still dirty. I went up there and tried them. So I'm going to have to get up first, do the whole top, then come down and do it from the bottom. I'm going to show you how dirty it really was up there. Now, I've only done the top. I'm only halfway done. And this is the result. I mean, look at that dirt. Look at all the dirt that would have come down on the cushions if it rained really hard. That's why this definitely need to be done, because if it rained and these cushions were out here, man, it would have been a disaster. All right, let's clean the rest of this up and get this stuff washed off of the concrete. Okay, one more view of just how dirty this stuff is. Look at all that dirt, and I'm just starting to get it clean. This is where I'm washing it off the concrete here. There's a cleaned bench, and there's the dirty bench. So this is gonna save our cushions from getting totally destroyed by this gunky stuff that doesn't come off very easy. Okay, let's finish this up. Got this all done out here, and it didn't get too hot because we got some clouds that came over. So got everything clean. Looks so much better. And everything cleaned off of the benches and the ground down here. So this is all ready. Just dry this out, and then we'll put the cushions back on. Now we still have to clean the cushions. I'm going to try to clean them with some stain remover and spot and scrubbing them, because it's going to be a huge pain to pull all the covers off and wash them and put them back on. But if we can't do that, we'll have to. But this feels good. Now I don't have to worry about a bunch of gunk wrecking our expensive cushions. All right, I'm so excited because we're going to get blizzards at the new ice cream place in town called Sundays. It's run by Claudia, and If you like Sonic Blast or Blizzards from Dairy Queen, this is the same thing, only better because she has better, fresher ingredients for all the topping, all the add-ins.
So good.
Super good. And Esperanza's driving me today, so this is awesome. I just get a ride and enjoy it.
Oh, look, Huey got his trees all trimmed up.
Yep.
Very nice.
Let's go get some ice cream.
Okay.
You know the locals because they know how to swerve around all the huge holes in our dirt road.
This lot that's for sale,
Yeah.
and it's 449,000, I think. And they think it's just trees on there. I don't think there's anything else on there. It's a beautiful lot, close to town.
But that sounds a little high to me for a lot with no structures on it and
Right.
it's not on the beach.
Agreed. But it is on Davis, which goes straight to the center. That's nice.
Hola, Waldo. That was a Waldo, the owner of Giggling Dolphin. Oh,
What?
that was Waldo, the owner of Giggling Dolphin, a place we go quite a bit for live music.
Saturday nights at 7.
Definitely.
You have to have his French fries too. Beautiful day to be out on a boat.
locals call that Shark Tooth Mountain. Alright.
Oh, let me get my ice cream.
Hola.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Very, very good.
We want some ice cream.
Oh, perfect. This is the place.
Hola. See if they have anything new.
What did you like today? Same?
Probably so good.
Tropical for you? Or
That was good. I usually do the Oreo.
Oreo for you? Okay.
Does the brownie have nuts in it?
Oh my gosh, the brownie is very good.
Okay, I'm gonna do brownie today.
¿Tienes nuez?
I love the, oh, I like the
Yeah.
brownie.
Nuez or sin nuez?
No noise.
Okay.
Just the
No
chocolate
nuts.
and a little brownie, but no noise.
Oh, fabulous.
Okay.
Can you hand that to him?
Oh, thank you. It's for him. Thank you.
Y para mí tropical, por favor. Grande.
Oh,
Grande,
real
grande.
If you get a small, you'll wish you had a large. So just go for the large.
Sí.
Oh, gracias.
Okay, grande.
There
And
you
grande
go.
for you too? Sí.
Sí, grande.
No, pues porque licenciar. Puede ser, porque yo le dije que estipularon antes de hacer cualquier cosa y se hizo tonto y me demandó. Y pues ni modo que yo lo pueda permitir, ¿no?
¿Tienes muchos mangos?
Muchos mangos. ¿Tú tienes?
Pues tienes que saber que-
No, no tengo árbol de mangos.
¿De qué tienes? ¿Limón?
No, no limón, no mangos.
¿O
Solo palmas.
palmas?
Sí.
¿Coco? Date.
Sí, tengo muchos cocos, uno de til y muchos de taco.
La última vez que me viste,
¿De taco?
Sí.
Oh. Son alta, muy alta.
Sí. Muchos pequeños, pero muchos de 10 metros.
Ah,
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Mm.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Mhm.
I might have a new favorite.
¿Qué sigue? ¿Qué espera?
no le hicieron nada, ni una alta ni una levantar.
Mm.
Bueno, ahora
Mira, me van a caer ese la-
Almonds?
coconut.
Almejas?
Oh, coconut.
Oh, it's cocoa.
Coconut and
Almejas?
almendras.
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 Y plátano.
Plátano y piña.
Y piña.
¿Usted de Guadalajara?
Pues al nada fue que a levantar la carne y se fue la otra noticia.
And what's this one called?
¿Manzana?
Tropical.
Tropical.
Me quedo. Y ahorita me anda como
¿Y
algo
qué
de
le quieres
nada.
tú? ¿Qué le quieres? ¿Cuándo va a hacer?
¿Qué es crema? Avellana? ¿Yaña?
Es avellana.
Pero ya te lo dije que estaba enojada. No me pusieron también iguales. Entonces, yo estoy enojada porque yo iba cambiando un poco de ejemplo.
Avellana
Gracias.
is like almonds, but the little
Oh,
the
okay.
Nutella made.
Oh,
¿Cómo se
okay.
llama? No.
Nutella?
Yeah, but the crema. How how do you say this?
Oh,
Nutella.
hazelnuts.
Ajá, hazelnut.
Sí.
I forgot the name.
La familia de Esperanza
Ajá.
tenía farm de hazelnuts. Muchos años pasados.
Una granja. No, muchas árboles.
Sí, muchos árboles. ¿Cómo se dice en
Se dice como parcelas.
parcelas? So, crema avellana
Crema de avellana.
es Nutella.
Nutella, sí. Yo pienso que poquito más aquí. Más. Así. Brownie.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Sí, de nada. Ok.
Mm.
Oh my gosh.
¿Es bueno?
Oh.
No le he visto yo.
El mejor.
Está mejor así, tropical grande.
Oye, y no tiene, y no.
Oh, eso, fine.
¿Y quién estaba ahí? ¿Con ustedes?
Oh,
Muchas gracias.
and I have one this for. ¿Es okay?
Sí, sí. Muchas
Thank
gracias.
you for coming.
Ok, hasta luego. So good and so cute out here
Oh my gosh, I love this.
with just the whole front here. We are right just east of the plaza. The plaza is right here with the city hall, and then this is the walking street that goes down to the arch to the water. So good. All right, now we're gonna head back home. Esperanza is drinking and driving. Well,
No,
actually eating
I'm
and
eating.
actually eating and driving.
That sounds bad.
Mine is bananas, pineapple, almonds, and coconut. Mmm.
Mine
So
tastes
good
like
and fresh.
brownies and Hershey syrup. Oh, it's amazing.
These are 90 pesos a piece for the grande, which is a good size.
That's what
and
you'll want, definitely.
they're definitely worth it because they are so good. And now we're going to eat our blizzards before they all melt. Thanks everybody for watching. Man, it's already getting hot this morning. I wish I could go get some ice cream right now, but they don't even open till like 12:30, so I'm gonna have to wait a little while. But next time you're in Loreto, do not miss Sunday ice cream. It's just east of the plaza on the walking street down to the Malecon. So very easy to find. All right, thanks again for watching, and never forget to live before you die.